Hey YouTube, this is Southern Purple One, and this is a thank you video. I've been doing YouTube for over 10 years, over a decade, and I have thoroughly enjoyed it. I've met a lot of great people. Through YouTube, I got the chance of working with National Geographic on the show Doomsday Prepper. I was the evaluator, the judge for the first 2 seasons, and that gave me opportunity to do things that I would never, a boy from Podunk, USA, could do. I went to Hollywood twice. Saw things there that was awesome. So that was a great opportunity. That was really the result of YouTube and the support I got on YouTube. I'm very thankful for that. But we want to do a giveaway. We're going to do it right on YouTube, but there's no way to communicate back and forth. So JD and myself said, let's give away 20 items as appreciation for what you've done. A lot of people think I help people, and I do. I talk to people on the phone. And if you got a question, be prepared for a phone call. A lot of people have questions that there's no way I'm going to sit there, type it, wait till you respond, type back and forth. It could take forever. And there's so many variables. So be prepared for a phone call. I'd rather talk than type. So we're going to give away 20 of our items. JD and myself came up with a company trying to become an entrepreneur. JD's an entrepreneur already, but I am not, so I'm dipping my feet into it, and it's challenging, it's fun, it's rewarding, it's nerve-wracking. We can't do it on YouTube because there's no way to private message back and forth anymore. So what we're going to do is we're going to have to do it through our email page that we set up, and that was basically for an emergency email in case I'm taken down off YouTube, or if YouTube is down for some reason, but we can put emails through just to communicate with you. And a lot of people have signed up, but not everyone. I will put the email down in the description in the first comment. I'll pin it. It's very easy. It's practicalsurvival.org. And that way, sign up for that, and in a few days, I'll tell you when it's going to end. JD just going to randomly pick 20 people on that list, and you will be able to get one of our products. You can pick it, because we don't want to just give out things. You might not need a flashlight. One of them is the flashlight. You get 2 flashlights in here. It's super good deal. We're trying to keep everything affordable. It comes with a flashlight, and you can start fires. It's a lighter. Very practical thing. So you can pick that if you need it. If you don't need a lighter, we're offering the emergency survival kit. This is the best kit on the market on Amazon. We put in a few extra things in here. One was a summertime poncho. You don't need to wear a Mylar poncho in July in the South. You will die. So I added that because we tested everything, and I said, you know what? I actually tried it. And it was burning hot within 30 seconds. Literally, I was baking in a Mylar. So we added that just because we're testing these stuff out. So if you need that, great survival kit. And if you don't need that, water straws. You get 5 water straws. We're trying to make it affordable. This product, what I want is for people to be able to hand these out to neighbors in a crisis. You know, you can't give them a Berkey, but maybe you can give them a life straw so they can at least drink water. So, go to where you can sign up, practicalsurvival.org. I'll put the exact link. And just sign up, and JD will pick 20 people in a few days. He'll contact you and let you pick any of these products, and we'll have them sent right to your door. So, this is an appreciation for all you do. It's been a blessing for over a decade. A blessing. It's been a lot of work. It's been a lot of late nights talking to people. It's been a lot of time just trying to help people start that journey of prepping. We are all in this together. We have no idea what the future is going to bring. But if you're old like me, I've had it good. My children are not going to have it as good as me with the debt, with the overreaching government, and definitely not my grandchildren will have it as good as me. If you're older than me, we owe it to future generations. People that aren't even born, that will be born an American in this country, we owe it to them. That's my whole calling in life. I joined the military, dedicated to helping people, helping my fellow man. Why did you join the military, Dave? Why didn't you join the Peace Corps? I'm not wired for the Peace Corps. I was wired for the military. I loved it. I miss it every day. Every day. I miss the relationships. I miss the task. I miss the suck. If you've never been infantry, you don't understand the suck. The suck is there, and it's good. You can suck up all kinds of stuff if all the other guys around you are sucking it up too. So sign up. We're going to pick 20 people, and you will get a free product as just a very small token of my appreciation for all this support for many years. Thanks for watching.